Hey, Miss Talula Bee. I'm wondering if you have some tea.
Girl, you know I've always got all the tea. I just need to know what kind.
Spell it. I saw this piece of art that was so cool. It was this flower that was made out of pieces of tiny broken things. Let me show you. It looks like this. Have you ever seen anything like that?
Oh my God! Of course I've seen those before. In fact, I'm in that era right now.
What era?
My mosaic era. Da!
Okay, so a mosaic is a piece of art, like a picture or a pattern. And it's usually made somewhere like on a floor or on a wall, even on the ceiling. Do you want a hot tip about the first ever mosaic? It was made 4,000 years ago in a place called Mesopotamia. In Mesopotamia, people were just learning how to live together. They built houses that look like this. Oh my gosh, can you believe it? 4,000 years was so long ago. People didn't even have toilets in their house or light bulbs. Ah! And after 4,000 years, your house goes from this to this. Talk about a fixer-upper. So these first mosaics were made out of things like stones or seashells, natural materials, you know, things they could find lying around. And they would usually make these pictures about things like farming or even circuses. And sometimes the pictures would just be about like arts and crafts or hanging out with your dog. We love that for you, Mesopotamia. Yeah. Then mosaics basically went viral. They were so popular and such a hit that people started making them all over the world, like in places like Egypt or Greece or Renaissance Europe. Gosh, these mosaics were so popular, but you don't have to go back in time to see people making mosaics. Oh no, we still make them today. People make them out of all kinds of things in all kinds of places. Now here's Talula Bee's top 3 mosaics edition. Number 1 is the Magic Gardens in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. They were created by a man named Isaiah Zagar, and they're absolutely insane. His entire idea was to make the city of Philadelphia more beautiful with his art. And he didn't just use things like rocks and marbles. He also used things like forks and bicycle tires. And his things are so gorge. Mission accomplished. Number 2 is Park Güell. This is in Barcelona in Spain and created by this amazing man named Antoni Gaudí. And when I say a park, I mean an entire park made only out of mosaic. Like the walls are mosaic and the floor is mosaic and the benches are mosaic and the fountain is mosaic and the lizard is mosaic. Everywhere mosaic. And coming in at number 3 is one that's a little different. It's called the Madaba Map, and it was created in Jordan in 614 AD. This mosaic was a super accurate map of the city of Jerusalem. We have no clue who made it, but they literally forgot about it for 1,000 years. It got buried under some dirt. Then someone went to build a church there and was like, whoa, mosaic alert. If they can do it without toilets, you can definitely do it with your mug. Come on.